Hello everyone, today I will read a newspaper for you. This is Times of India newspaper and I will read the speaking tree for all of you. We all know newspaper reading is very important for English language development because the English is very good in a newspaper and we can learn new vocabulary also. So if every day you will do this listening practice, you will automatically after some time you will see that you are also speaking very well. So let's start. I will read this article for you and you please listen it carefully. And yes, before listening, please subscribe my channel and share it with everyone. There are some basic grammar lessons also and small tips also and bilingual stories also for kids who want to learn language, English language, and newspaper reading articles are also there. So please subscribe if you have subscribed my channel. Thanks for that. And now let's start the newspaper reading. So the heading is remove the outer clay, access the gold within. So let's start. There is a part in all of us that is often anxious that we may not be good enough. Not good enough to be loved, to be successful, to handle the problems we face, to reach our goals. We end up continually judging ourselves, doubting our basic worth. When we feel this way, if someone tells us that we have at our core a true worthiness, which is our basic nature, it sounds like a cruel joke. But we need to work on ourselves to penetrate the layer of judgment and doubt that conceal beneath them a bright goodness, presence, and love. Doing this, we initially begin to get tiny glimpse of this, but we repeatedly lose sight of it. Neurologist Richard Davison names one of the 6 emotional styles that reflect our personality as outlook, which he deems how long you are able to sustain positive emotions. We actually have more positive emotions than we realize. The key perhaps is training ourselves to regard it more attentively when it is present. This also involves our inner worthiness. A real life story is worth looking at it in the light of this hidden goodness. For centuries, an enormous clay statue of the Buddha sat in a temple in Bangkok, Thailand. Its origins were unknown. Over the year, the monks would tend the statue, fixing cracks that kept appearing in the clay. It was later moved to the Wat Remit since the old temple housing it was in disrepair. Then, as recently as 1955, it fell and cracked while being relocated, revealing something shining within. When the stucco was removed from the statue, the now famous golden Buddha, approximately 7 centuries old, was revealed. It is believed that the heavy pure gold statue has been covered with plaster and clay 600 years earlier to protect it from invading Burmese armies. But later, successive generations of monks had neglected or forgotten to pass on the story. We can see the golden Buddha as representing our true abiding nature and the clay that covered the statue for so long as the hardening muck of self doubt, fear, anxiety, insecurity, and maybe even self hating, worthlessness that hides this from us. We perhaps have added layer upon layer to protect us from hurt and harm, but like those monks, we forget. Over the year, we become primarily identified with our coverings. We have forgotten to trust that core of goodness they conceal. Some parents and teachers, well meaning but misguidedly thinking they are motivating young people, suggest they are good but not good enough, talented but not talented enough, successful but not successful enough. We internalize these messages and soon it is our own voice, not theirs, saying these things over and over again. Then this never enough becomes a chronic habit of mind. We constantly seek approval and validation. We are easily slighted. We wonder, we feel anxiety and stress if we are not good enough. What will happen when people find out? When you connect with the goal, the worthiness of yourself, you see more goodness flowing your way. Then you realize that actually the goodness has always been there. You are simply becoming more sensitive and attuned to it. I hope you must have enjoyed this newspaper reading session, and this is really very important. This article is very interesting also, that and good for personality development also. So see, you can learn English also, you can learn vocabulary also, and you will have a personality development also. So I hope you must have enjoyed this session. Soon I'll be there with a new article all for all of you. Till that time, goodbye and subscribe for sure. Bye.